I'm going to teach you how to do a fan kick on the floor. So once you learn how to do a fan kick on the floor, it's a little bit easier to do a fan kick in the air, and this can help strengthen you up a little for your straddles and all those more like intermediate moves. So when we're going to start our fan kick, we're going to start sitting on one hip. Doesn't matter which one. I'm on my left, so if you want to do your left as well, cool. I'm on my left. I'm going to take my hands behind me, and when I'm actually doing my fan kick, I want my legs to come really close to me. So I'm going to tuck and kind of curl, bring my legs in. Okay, so that's step one. We don't do that when we're sitting because it doesn't look great. But from here, we're going to go from this position as I straddle to the middle, tuck, and then end up sexy again on the other side. So, because I'm on my left hip, I'm going to start fanning with my right leg. So, I'm going to try to not kick my microphone, and I'm going to lean back. I'm going to straighten my right leg, keep my toe pointed. As my right leg starts to come over, my left is going to straighten and follow it. In the middle, I want to tuck and hit a nice wide straddle, and then I'm going to bring it into the other side. Cool. All right, now I'm on my right hip, so my left leg's going to lead. So I'm going to lean back, open, turn your legs out in the middle, and we're here. So if you want, you can just practice that a few times. So leaning back, nice big straddle, center. Tuck your hips under, but try not to lose your neck too much. This is like my thing that I do that I don't want you guys to pick up from me. Sometimes I tend to shrug my shoulders in an attempt to get my legs higher. Don't do that. It doesn't look great. I hate it when I see myself do it in freestyle and stuff. So make sure you try and keep your neck nice and long. Okay. Once you can fan back and forth, you can start to tuck under, and that means you can keep going in the same direction. So this is a little bit harder. It is harder in bigger heels, or if you're on like bare feet. Yeah, so if you have bare feet and the floor is a bit sticky, so you want to be able to slide. So put some socks on, or like just wear your 7 inches. So for the tuck under bit, we're going to go over again the same way. I'm going to go over, land the same way I did, and when I get to here, I'm going to keep my legs bent, use my hands behind me. I need to try and bring my feet underneath me. So I'm going to push my hips up off the ground as high as I can, bring my feet under, bring them to the other side, land. This means I can keep going the same way. So I can go fan, and then you can decide to switch at any moment, and you can go back the other way. So as you come back the other way, bend, under, and fan. Cool. Okay, so what I'd recommend is trying that out, put some music on, see how you go doing the fans, try and do it to the music. So it'd be really good if you can do it in a count of 8. So I would pick a nice slow song, and I would practice going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can just freestyle at the end. Okay, if you managed to make it to the end of this tutorial, well done. If you want to tag me in your videos, find Vertical Flex on Instagram is probably the easiest one to find. Or if you can manage to find my pole Insta, well done, good stalking. I'll try to put it in the comments. All right, that was fan kick.